Welcome back, YouTube. Tuning in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss today. Hey, I know y'all looking at the seasons, wondering what I'm cooking. So first, I'm gonna just go ahead and tell you, I got some of that Sweet Baby Ray's hot sauce. I got some lemon and pepper seasoning, and I got some complete seasoning that I picked up, and some honey, and I got some buttermilk. Can you take a guess what I got in the bowl? All right, I'm gonna tell you anyway. So I got some wing nuts. I'm gonna be doing some spicy honey lemon pepper wings. So I'm gonna be doing some spicy honey lemon pepper wings today. Hey, I'm telling you, these are amazing. So first, what we're gonna start off with is seasoning up with some of the complete seasoning. Okay. Then we'll put our hot sauce all on. Just put the hot sauce, the spiciness level that you like. I like mine kind of, I say about medium. So put it to your desired taste. So you want to get in here and mix everything up so you can get it nice and combined together. You want to, yeah, you see how we see that hot sauce? So now what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and, I got some buttermilk. I'm going to pour my buttermilk over it, and it's going to make that chicken nice and crisp. I'm telling you, it's going to be amazing. So we're going to let this sit in the fridge for 12 hours and marinate in this seasoning and let everything get nice and combined through that chicken. Stay tuned, you guys. So we're going to let our chicken marinate overnight for 24 hours. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to be putting in some plain white flour, but I'm going to use a little of my complete seasoning that I'm trying out and put it in the flour. Just so the flour is not so bland. Just do like that. Okay, so we just gonna grab the chicken. Man, that chicken looking amazing already with just fried plain by itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this honey and drizzle it across there. So then I'm gonna come and hit this lemon pepper across there. Just a little there. And I'm telling you, these wings are amazing. I'm gonna give it a little parsley and make it really pop. Man, these wings right here are amazing. I used to cook these wings when I used to work at the fast food restaurant I used to work at back in the day. I ain't gonna say because they might come back and get me right now. Hey, but I'd like to thank you guys for tuning into the video, checking out your boy Southern Smoke Boss. Hey, if you want to see more wing videos like this, these are some nice advertisements you can make coming up for parties or events you have, or for the sports events. Thanks for tuning in today. Peace out.